Hi guys, so for today's video is someone we hired his ear for grinding the stump because this tree was cut last year and we don't know that there's big roots and we cannot lay blocks in it because it's in a way. So we hired somebody to do it. They are good company and he do it all in just like 30 minutes. All the stem was left, it's gone, and this is nice. And we paid like 150 for doing all that, plus he cleans, he blow the dirt after, and he cleans, and that's good. So it's really worth it, and it's really quick, and you don't need to do anything. You just wait until it's done. And yeah, that's for today's video, and we're happy that this project is almost done. Maybe I'll show it to you guys when it's done. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a great weekend. See you in my next video, guys. Thanks. God bless you all. That's a quick chop.